Friends, welcome back again to our online classes from RPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of science and today I am here with a remaining explanation of chapter number 6, that is food for health. So my dear students, in our earlier videos we had discussed about food groups. So students, the food that we eat are divided into three groups: energy giving food, bodybuilding, and protective. So students, energy giving food give us energy to work and play, and bodybuilding food help us to grow and make our bones and muscles strong, and protective foods protect us from falling ill. And in our next topic, meals in a day, we learned that a particular type of food that we eat at a particular time of the day is called a meal, and we usually eat 3 meals a day, that are breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So students, we should eat our meals at the right time, like breakfast in the morning, lunch in the noon, and dinner at the night. So students, dinner is also known as supper. Now students, in this video we are going to discuss key to healthy eating. So students, open page number 60 from your textbook. Okay, so at page number 60, key to healthy eating. Students, we need to follow some rules for healthy eating. We should follow some rules for healthy eating that is given below. First point, eat different kinds of food in right quantities. So students, we should eat the different kinds of food in right amount. So there are too many kinds of food that we eat in a day, so we should eat it at right quantities or right amount. Okay, overeating should be make us ill or we can fall sick. Second point is eat well cooked food. So students, the food that we eat should be well cooked, otherwise we get stomach pain. Next one, do not eat food that has been kept uncovered. It might have germs that can make you sick. So students, do not eat the uncovered food because it might have germs and that make you sick. So always eat fresh and covered food. Next one is wash your hands before and after eating. So students, when you are going to eat take your meal, first of all you have to wash your hands before and after eating. Next one is wash your mouth after eating. So students, after eating also you have to wash your mouth. Next, eat slowly and chew your food well. Students, you have to eat your food slowly and chew the food well. Now, next point, eat and drink from clean plates and glasses. So students, you have to eat and drink from the clean plates and clean glasses. Next point, eat fresh food. Eating stale food can make you sick. So students, you have to always eat fresh food, not stale food, because eating stale food can make you sick. So students, here a new word or a hard word that is given here is stale. So do you know the meaning of stale? Look here, at this word help? Food items that have been kept for many days. So students, food items that have been kept for many days are stale food. So you should not eat stale food because it can make you sick. Now last point is eat meals at regular intervals and do not waste food. So students, you have to take your meal at regular intervals, like you have to take your breakfast in the morning, lunch at the noon and dinner at the night, and you don't waste your food. You take only food that you can eat. Okay, so this was the key to healthy eating that you should follow to stay healthy. Okay, so I hope you understood all these rules of healthy eating very well. Now students, here let's discuss why is it important to eat fresh food. So students, do you know why is it important to eat fresh food? Because stale food have been kept for many days, and when we eat stale food we can fall sick, and fresh food are healthy for us because they not have germs like stale food or uncovered food. So students, we should always eat fresh food. Okay, now let's come to the keywords from this chapter. So students, in these keywords all three food groups are given here. First, energy giving food. Food items that give us energy to work and play are called energy giving food. So students, energy giving foods give us energy to work and play. For example, rice, wheat and sugar. These are the example of energy giving food. Next one is bodybuilding food. So students, food items that help us grow and make our bones and muscles strong are called bodybuilding foods. For example, milk, egg, fish, pulses, meat. These are the example of bodybuilding foods. Okay, now next one, protective foods. Food items that protect us from falling ill are called protective foods. So students, those food items that protect us from falling ill are called protective food. For example, fruits, vegetables and nuts. Now students, let's come to the summary of this chapter. So students, in this chapter what we have learned? We have learned about the three food groups, the three meals that we take in a day, and key to healthy eating. So let's read the summary that is given here. The food that we eat can be divided into three groups: energy giving, bodybuilding and protective. Next one, we should eat our breakfast, lunch and dinner at the right time. Now next, we need to follow some rules for healthy eating. So students, these are the key to healthy eating. You have to learn all the food groups and the three meals that we take in a day, and most important, that is key to healthy eating. You have to learn all these points very well. So, the explanation of this chapter is completed now. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.